Hello and welcome back to DJD Entertainment. My name is Darcy and today I will be discussing the rules and important concepts that you need to be able to understand to be able to build and control DMX lighting systems. Let's get started. Now, to start off this video, we are going to have a look at the main types of DMX data transmission cables. 3-pin DMX. 3-pin DMX is most commonly used in mobile DJ products and cheaply produced products. 5-pin DMX is most commonly used in professional applications, such as in theatres, and is the industry standard of DMX data transmission cables. RJ45 DMX. RJ45 DMX is most commonly used in architectural lighting, and where DMX data needs to be distributed over hundreds of meters. So, I will run you through a few terms and explain what each of them mean. A daisy chain. Lights and DMX controllable items are placed in a daisy chain-like system, with one cable going into the fixture and one coming out of it into the next fixture in the chain. A desk. The way you control all of your fixtures, dimmers and other DMX related products. This may be in the form of a physical console, software on a PC or Mac, or a combination of both. A dimmer. A device that is used to dim halogen fixtures that cannot be directly plugged into a control desk. DMX splitter. A DMX splitter splits one incoming cable of DMX into two or more cables of DMX, making it easier to distribute DMX cable around to each of your fixtures. A DMX cable. The way all DMX data and addresses are distributed around the DMX lighting system. An address. What you assign to a fixture in order to be able to control the fixture. This number ranges from number 1 to 512. A channel. A channel is what a control desk uses to refer to an address. For example, channel 1 on your lighting desk may bring up address 1, the red component of your first fixture. A universe. In a DMX system, daisy chains work in sets of 512 addresses, which are called universes. Let's say, for example, you needed to address another RGB par to address 513. You wouldn't be able to. You would have to run a separate line of DMX from your control desk from universe 2 and address that fixture to address 1 of universe 2. If you didn't really understand this, I recommend re-watching this section of the video from the beginning or skipping to the parts you didn't understand. If you still don't understand something, please leave a comment in the description box below and I will explain it to you in more detail. In the next video, I will be discussing how to wire a DMX lighting system. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any other questions, comments or concerns, please leave them in the comment section below or send me a message on my Instagram account. Remember to like the video if you're enjoying this series of videos, as it helps me out in the YouTube algorithm. Also, please consider subscribing to this YouTube channel and have a great day.